Did you know that your hobbies could be the key to boosting your retirement savings? In this video, we'll explore the unique twist of how personal hobbies can play a crucial role in enhancing your financial future and securing a more comfortable retirement. The first is crafting your way to financial freedom. Discover how engaging in crafting hobbies like knitting, woodworking, or jewelry making can pave the way to additional income streams and savings for retirement. From selling handmade items to teaching crafting classes, there's immense potential to turn your passion into profit. Craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms offer excellent opportunities to reach a broader audience and increase sales. Additionally, consider writing ebooks or creating online courses to share your crafting knowledge and generate passive income. Networking with fellow crafters and joining local artisan groups can also open doors to collaborative projects and bulk sales. Next, gardening for green retirement savings. Uncover the financial benefits of gardening hobbies, from growing your own produce and herbs to reducing grocery bills and promoting self-sustainability. By cultivating a green thumb, you can not only save on expenses, but also contribute to your retirement funds. Beyond selling produce, consider venturing into agritourism by offering garden tours, workshops, or farm-to-table dining experiences. Composting and selling organic fertilizer can further diversify your income streams. Additionally, participating in local farmers markets and collaborating with restaurants or grocery stores can enhance your market reach and profitability. Another tip to boost your retirement savings is using fitness fun for financial gains. Embark on a journey to discover how fitness-related hobbies like hiking, yoga, or cycling can enhance your health, save on medical expenses, and boost retirement savings. By engaging in activities that promote physical well-being, you not only invest in your health, but also secure long-term cost savings. Creating fitness content for social media, such as workout videos or wellness blogs, can attract sponsorships and ad revenue. Offering virtual classes or personalized fitness plans can reach a global audience. Moreover, organizing fitness retreats or wellness workshops can provide substantial earnings while promoting a healthy lifestyle. Next, how about cooking up extra retirement wealth? Unveil the financial advantages of cooking hobbies, from saving on dining out expenses to exploring potential catering opportunities for retirement growth. By preparing meals at home, you can significantly reduce costs compared to eating out. Consider hosting cooking classes, both in person and online, to share your culinary skills and generate additional income. Partnering with local businesses to supply baked goods or specialty items can expand your market reach. Furthermore, writing a cookbook or starting a food blog can create passive income opportunities through sales and advertising. The next retirement savings booster. Well, are you a travel expert? How about traveling towards financial security? Embark on a journey to explore how travel hobbies can be leveraged to earn rewards, save on future trips, and contribute to retirement funds. Discover the benefits of travel rewards programs and credit card points for significant savings. Learn how to monetize travel experiences through blogging, vlogging, or photography to boost your income. Additionally, consider offering travel consulting services or creating travel guides to share your expertise with others. Participating in house-sitting or travel exchange programs can further reduce travel costs while allowing you to explore new destinations. Developing partnerships with travel companies for sponsored trips can also provide free travel opportunities and additional income. Another tip is DIY, home improvement for retirement rewards. Uncover the potential of DIY home improvement hobbies to boost property value, cut maintenance costs, and elevate retirement savings. Learn about the financial benefits of taking on home projects independently and how it can lead to significant returns. Discover opportunities for flipping or renting properties as a smart retirement investment. In addition, Consider creating DIY home improvement content for platforms like YouTube or Instagram, which can attract sponsorships and add revenue. Writing articles or ebooks on home improvement tips can also generate passive income. Joining local handyman services or offering consulting for DIY projects can provide additional revenue streams. Can you take photographs? Consider photography profits for retirement planning. Capture the essence of how photography hobbies can pave the way to selling prints, freelance opportunities, and additional income for retirement security. Dive into the marketability of photography skills for selling prints or offering services, opening doors to freelance gigs and stock photo sales for passive income. Consider creating photography courses or workshops to teach aspiring photographers and earn extra income. Offering specialized photography services such as event or portrait photography can expand your client base. Additionally, partnering with local businesses for promotional shoots or starting a photography blog can further monetize your skills and enhance your financial security. Are you a gamer? How about gaming your way to financial freedom? Unlock the potential of gaming hobbies as a pathway to streaming revenue, esports opportunities, and financial growth for retirement plans. Explore earning possibilities through gaming sponsorships, streaming platforms, or esports competitions. Learn the significance of building a personal brand within the gaming community to maximize financial gains. Strike a balance between gaming hobbies and income-generating opportunities for effective retirement savings. In addition, consider creating and selling in-game content, such as mods or custom skins, which can provide a steady income. Engaging with the gaming community through social media can help you build a loyal following, opening the door for merchandising and crowd-funded projects. Hosting gaming events or tournaments can also be a lucrative way to monetize your gaming passion. This next tip will be popular. Write your way to extra retirement income. Embark on a journey to discover how writing hobbies can open doors to freelance work, publishing opportunities, and additional income streams for retirement security. Delve into various writing genres like blogging, copywriting, or self-publishing. Uncover the potential for monetizing writing skills through freelance platforms or book sales, building a writing portfolio, and establishing a writing business. Moreover, consider offering editing and proofreading services, which are in high demand and can generate a substantial side income. Writing grants and proposals for nonprofits can also be a rewarding avenue. Additionally, participating in writing contests and applying for writing fellowships can provide both financial rewards and recognition, further enhancing your retirement savings. Finally, this could be music to your ears. But how about making money with music in retirement? Unveil the potential of music-related hobbies in paving the way to performances, teaching opportunities, and financial rewards for retirement planning. Explore the income potential of music gigs, teaching music lessons, or selling compositions. Dive into the value of music royalties, licensing, and online platforms for generating revenue. Gather advice on leveraging your music skills. Additionally, consider creating online tutorials or courses to share your musical expertise, reaching a global audience and generating passive income. Collaborating with other musicians for joint projects can expand your market reach. Exploring opportunities in music production and sound design for films, games, and advertisements can also provide significant financial benefits. At first glance, this may seem a little overwhelming to you, and that is okay. If you have worked for an employer all your life, making the transition to self-employed can be a little daunting. The key here is that you have the skill or skill set that younger people may just be looking for to move forward in their own careers. People pay for information they don't have. Remember, you only need to know a little more than others in your particular skill set to be looked at as an expert. We encourage you to delve into your passions and discover the potential for financial growth. Take action today by exploring how your hobbies can contribute to a more secure retirement. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and engage with our channel for more financial planning tips.